Hello, BMNR bulls and bears. I know the bears are having a lot of fun these days. Enjoy it while it lasts. Looking at the Ethereum chart here, you can see that there's a good amount of support right around where we are. And the same goes for Bitcoin. So from 2500 to about 2900, that's an area where buyers will come back in. Will they overwhelm the sellers? That I don't know, but I expect to see some buying around those areas. A lot hangs in the balance though with Nvidia earnings today and its impact on the overall market and the sentiments. So we have to wait and see what happens and how the Nvidia earnings affects the entire market. We're in this storm together with all the other stocks, and if the entire market wants to react negatively to that event, well, BMNR is also going to do the same, as well as other risk-on assets like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Looking at BMNR chart itself, you remember I was talking about the 39.7 level, and it looked like for a moment there that we cleared that level to move higher, but then things took a turn for the worse. Well, since then, these other levels that I have highlighted have been visited. As you can see, we have stronger resistance, or may I say support, around the red lines compared to the white lines. And today we basically broke down this 30.3 line, which tells me 27.6 is probably in the cards. Well, it could get worse if the reaction to Nvidia earning is really bad. But I think we're going to visit and revisit the 27.6 region for several days if the reaction is negative, and it could eventually become a good support off of which we can go up. I know Kathy Wood's one of her earliest purchases of BMNR was around this $26, $27 area. So I'm sure there will be a lot of buying around this level. But, well, again, the overall market reaction is what matters. I specifically am posting this video before the earnings for Nvidia because I wanted to show you what I see before that binary event. If things are neutral to positive, well, we're going to move back up. There could be an quick overreaction to 27.6 and then moving back up. But if the reaction is negative or very negative, then we have to look under this level.